So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in the last class we had learned what are variables and assigning values to them. And so in this video we are going to learn the data types of Python, assign multiple variable names, multiple values, and at the last we are going to learn we are going to add two variable names and two variable values and get a new result. So let's begin. So before that, let me open my idle. Um, and we are going to perform the last time's examples. So the first example of last time was a is equal to 2 and tell it to print type a, the data type a, so we write type a, and this time again you write a inside the bracket. It says class int and last time example it was b is equal to 9897969594 909998 and I need to print b, type b, b. It tells again class int because both are numbers. 2 was a number and this was a number, so number is class int, and then pi is equal to 3.15 and tell you to print type pi. It says class float and c is equal to a, write the int inside the double quotes and tell print type a, type c, close the bracket 2 times, and it says class str, and so it was a q is equal to true, and tell it to print type q. It says class bool and x was equal to none, and tell it to print none, sorry, x, type x. It says none type, so that means the so many types of data types in Python. So now we are gonna go to the next thing, how you can put multiple variable names and multiple variable values. So the first example will be a, b and c is equal to 1, 2 and 3, and tell it to print a, b and c. It prints 1, 2, 3, and this time if you tell it to print what type ABC is, print type ABC. It prints an syntax error because of multiple variable names and multiple variable values are not a kind of data type. And so next we imagine I write a, b is equal to 3, 4 and 6. It was a syntax error. It says expected to. That means two variable names. Two variable names and three variable values. It cannot assign it. So again, this time we write a comma b comma c is equal to 1 comma 2. Again it was a syntax error. This time it says expected 3 got 2. That means equal variable name equal variable value. So next we are going to do how to add two variable names and get a new value. So for doing that you have to just write, imagine I write name. Name is equal to Joe Joe plus Fred. And now tell it to print name. It prints Joe and Fred. We didn't put any space, so it does not put any space. And then we are gonna check what type of name is it, like the data type of the thing. Print type name. It says str. So last time str was c is equal to a. That means whenever there are alphabets, it prints class str. So then we are going to do another thing. We type friend is equal to, we write my friend. Don't forget to put the plus. Then we write is. If you're not comfortable with the double quotes, you can put single quotes. Mary. And tell it to print friend. It prints my friend is Mary. And so that's all for today. Meet you next time. Bye guys.